But shout out to my artists, yeah, that artwork code, they missed that guy. Clicking up with the ops and name up, that's how your click gon' die. His soul was gone before the switch was done, spin that fire. Masked up, getting that back, blood on my Timbs and in my eyes. Freedom members, cause for them long living through us who in the sky. So when you laugh, keep that energy when you cry, cause it's infinity to you.
Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Mickey Straps and we back with another video, man. So today we doing a shooting review on this PSA Dagger. And we gonna give our honest opinion on it, do our honest shooting review. Only gonna put about 50 to 100 rounds through it, whatever we got on hand. And we try to bring y'all some new content, man.
It's another DCO beat, okay.
This thing is a nice size gun. And I already gave y'all my 1s and 2s on it on the last video. So we just gonna go ahead and get the shooting today. I do have a steel target set up down there. I don't know if you can see it right there. We're gonna be shooting at it from about 15 yards away and see what our accuracy and groupings are looking like. And then we're gonna go ahead and take some shots at the PSA Dagger. Try to hit the steel target about 14 yards away. All right, so next we're gonna do the PMAC, 15 round PMAC at the steel target.
Come on, Craig. Come on, Craig.
That was the PMAC. We did have a little malfunction. I don't know if it was because of the round or whatever. But we got this Glock 19X mag. We're gonna run it in here and see if it functions. Let's go.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? Son, hold on, son.
Let's fire and see what happens.
Take the L, take the L. Take the L. Take the L.
I'm not sure if that's the ammo, if that's the gun. Got a few more rounds, let's keep going. extended round. Just gonna do a hood test with this thing real quick.
What do you mean by that?
See how it works. Alright, so last thoughts on the Dagger so far, man. As I said before, I'm becoming a fan of them. They're actually pretty good, pretty cheap. I say pretty reliable, man. Don't judge me, judge the gun, get one for yourself. See how you like it, man. I'm rocking with them. Now, as far as like the mag situation, I'm still trying to figure out which mags I like best in them and which ones I'm actually run. I'm thinking I'm gonna look more into getting like all Gen 3 parts for this and just doing a little bit of upgrading and change out that extractor. That might be an issue as well. So yeah, it's another dope review. Hey man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. We just gonna keep dropping these things back to back. Every new gun I do, man, I'm gonna do at least 100 rounds through it and give y'all my honest opinion. That's my goal.